Welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So if you want to charge your device using an original charger, you have to connect it to the port on the right edge of your device. And if you want to use a substitute charger, you can connect it to any of the USB-C ports on the left side. If your device isn't being charged when you connect a charging cable to it, then this means that your charging device, charging block, charging brick doesn't have enough wattage in it. Now this device requires around 40 watts for the standard charging speed and 65 watts for fast charging. Sometimes it's also unresponsive to the third-party chargers, like in this case, so you have to try a couple of times to actually make it start charging, and eventually it will, which you can see by looking at the charging indicator on your taskbar. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.